Hey people, so I'm back to doing what I do best, which is reviewing these different shows. So on this Discovery Plus app, Discovery Plus, it is such an amazing app, yeah. So if you all download it, you will see these different shows, and there is this show called Betrayed. It's based on these real life incidents that have happened in the states, and basically real life. It's a very serious show. It's about people being betrayed, like as in they are getting murdered and all. Yeah, like really, no, I don't know, something's wrong with me today. I have to be very serious while speaking about such issues. So but really, no, so you also check it out, people. I mean, not check it out, I mean, you also see this show. It's called Betrayed, and it's on Discovery Plus app. And I think I have to, like, I don't know, when I'm in a very happy peppy mood, I shouldn't speak of serious and somber shows. But really, but this is it's a very, it'll give you goosebumps, and it'll make you aware of the kind of dangerous things that are happening on the planet. So, but really, so Discovery Plus app, please download it now. It's like a really good app to have. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.